everyone. We are here to present you the study made by our group entitled Centrics, an interactive learning software for Centroids. But before we proceed to discuss what is the study all about, let me introduce first our team. Team Centrics includes Cheryl Vivalanay, Angeli F. Esteban, Marcos J. Francisco, and Angela B. Samuel. We fear what we do not understand. A quote from Robert Langdon from Dan Brown's Angels and Demons that best describes the situation of most students when dealing with the subject mathematics. Most of the students find mathematics as boring, mind-numbing, uninteresting, and unfortunately, they perceive mathematics as one of their biggest problems. Problem because for them, mathematics is just a never-ending computational activity that has no connections in real-life situations. And to give solution to this problem, we decided to create a software that will greatly support students as well as instructors in learning the subject well. The general problem of the study is how to develop an interactive learning software for Centroids. Furthermore, the study specifically sought answers to the following questions. What are the topics to be integrated? What are the hardware and software configurations that will be needed? And what is the level of acceptability of the software? Centrics is a land-based system that has three kinds of users: the administrator, the instructors, and the students. It is consists of significant modules, namely lesson, intergraph, quiz, accounts, and about. Furthermore, these are the parties that were assumed to benefit from the system. First are the students. The software contains illustrations of certain equations and comprehensive solution on how to solve a given problem. This was done so that students can easily understand and cope up with the lessons. Next are the instructors. Centrics provides graphical representation of centroids so that sketching of graphs manually will be avoided. Time consumed by this activity will be allotted to more productive accomplishments. Further will be more time for discussions and clarifications of some points that are not clearly understood. And finally, are the educational institutions. Similar software like Centrics can take a quality of education into a higher level. Educators today need to separate themselves from the past and accept technology as an integral part of the education of the students in the 21st century. Studies have shown that combining technology with standard classroom approach actually improves students' performance. And to discuss the respondents of the study, here is Mr. Marcos J. Francisco.
The gathering of the data for this research is primarily dependent with the people who use the software, the respondents of the study. The software was evaluated by the second year BS Mathematics students and faculty members from the College of Science who are teaching the calculus subject. And as suggested, we get the 30% from the population of the students, and we consider the 6 faculty members as a sample size. The respondents were oriented about the software and witnessed the actual demonstration of the capability of the software. They were selected as having the capability to evaluate the software based on the evaluation questionnaire of International Standard Organization or ISO 9126. And here are the following criteria. First is functionality, which refers to the system's overall performance. It includes the correctness of the functions, the ability to be easily operated, and lastly, the response time. Second is reliability. Reliability refers to the capability to maintain this level of performance under defined condition for defined period of time. Third is efficiency and effectiveness. This criterion is concerned with the system's resources used when providing the required functionality. Fourth is maintainability, which is the ability to identify and fix a fault within the software's component. Lastly, the probability, which is the ability of the software to be transferred from one environment to another environment. To discuss the result of evaluation, here is Ms. Angeli F. Esteban.
Sorry, can you just demonstrate their software?
Good morning. During the development of the system, the researchers
I don't know, sorry, I'm really sorry. Can you just proceed to the demonstration of the use of the software?
There are three kinds of users. First, the administrator. He can view and edit records of the instructors. The next user are the instructors. Basically, there are four main tabs. The first tab is the lesson tab. It contains discussions related to Centroids. And since it is necessary to understand first the concept of area and volume, Centrics provides the reviewer. The next tab is the Integraph tab. It comes from the words integral calculus and graph. It is the interactive solver and one of the highlights of the system. It is made to avoid the sketching graphs manually. By merely entering numeric values, the graph will be formed in an instant. So, it is less time-consuming and more accurate compared to manual sketching. If the graph generated is bounded, then it can be revolved on either x or y axis. The user can also be the top, the front, or the bottom of the figure. And aside from that, Centrics also provides solution. This solution and the image earlier can be saved on any location, including external devices like flash drives for references or for further studies of the users. The next tab is the Accounts tab. Using this tab, the instructor can view, add, edit, and delete records of the students. Also, the instructor can edit a quiz. This is so easy to manipulate and very convenient for instructors. Aside from that, the instructor can also add lessons. So far, this feature of the system can be found on any other existing similar softwares here. And lastly is the quiz enabler. It allows the instructors to enable and disable the exam of the students. So that is all for the system for the instructors. The last user are the students. This system is almost similar to that of the instructors, but the only difference was the Accounts tab was replaced by Quiz tab. This tab is basically disabled, and the student should wait for the permission of the instructors before they can take the exam. This quiz consists of 10 questions, and the score is recorded. Once the user leaves this tab, he cannot go back again unless the instructor permits. So, that's the totality of our system. The objectives are met, and the results of the research shows that combining technology with traditional teaching will be very helpful for students, instructors, as well as educational institutions. So why not give it a try? In the end, we'll never know unless we try. That's all. Thank you.
What particular kinds of applications of Centroids are we talking about in here? Centroids of plane areas,
And so,
Centroids of solids of revolution.
yes, sir.
Using what different techniques? Circular disc, cylindrical shell, and circular ring.
Explain ko na po. Sa lesson po namin, kinover po namin yung three methods
Alright.
sa solids. Tapos yung vertical and horizontal straight sa plane. Then po sa solution namin sa interactive part, ginamit po namin kung ano yung pinaka-appropriate po.
So we're talking about any equations. Any equation na pwede kong i-input.
Sir, meron pong requirements. May choices po yung user kung 2 parabolas, line parabolas, or line and cubic. Yun na po yung
So
choice
yun
niya.
lang ang choices, kumbaga. So very, very limited. Very, very limited yung application ng Centroid, no? Gaya nga nasabi sa introduction, very abstract ang mathematics. Kung bibigyan mo siya ng application, ang talagang totoong application ng Centroid, yung mga codes, yung talagang tipo ng mga application in reality na gagamitin mo. Kasi nilimit mo yung function mo doon sa equations lang eh. Which is, paano mo gagamit kung puro parabola lang, paano kung hyperbola? Yung gagamitin kong ellipse, kung circle, ang equation ko, na ibabound ko lang sa isang particular na quadrant.
Yun po.
Walang gano'n.
Wala po. Kasi po, ang selection po namin ng kung ano lang po yung...
Kung ano yung input.
Hindi po kung ano po yung madalas pong gamitin, di ba? Yun po yung
Ang
parang
inputs madalas na gamitin. Walang top circle na madalas gamitin, ellipse na madalas gamitin.
sa, sa Centroids.
sa mga equations, parabola ba ang ginagamit madalas? I don't think so.
Kasi po nung nagbasa po kami, yun po yung mga common na nakita namin. Kaya,
Yung cone, line lang yun eh. Yung cone, yung centroid ng cone, hindi naman siya parabola, di ba? Line lang. So, paano nyo nasabi nyo madalas gamitin? Kasi nangihinayang ako sa software ninyo. Maganda yung target nyo, mahirap kasi mag-compute ng centroid. Kasunod na nga yung moment of inertia. Kaya lang ang problema, kung ililimita mo lang siya sa parabola, ililimita mo lang siya sa ano yung isa, line parabola ba yun? Yung dalawa, yung line sa parabola. Parang nadidipit yung purpose ninyo sa gusto nyo, sa sinasabi nyo kanina. Maganda yung dating, ang expectation ko talaga. Kaya pala kanina nang tinitingnan ko yung poster ninyo, binabasa kong pilit yung screenshot, hindi ko mabasa. Kasi yun lang pala talaga yung limitations niya. Sayang. Pero sayang po. Nanginaya po ako. Ang ganda na yung target ninyo.
thank you po.
We have a previously developed system for Centroids.
Sir, natin po, kahit po sa internet, wala pong nag-compute ng centroids.
First,
Yes, sir.
anong ginamit yung axis of evolution, axis of evolution?
Sir, X and Y pa lang po eh.
So walang added na say parallel sa dx, parallel to the y.
Wala pa po.
So did you make it part of your recommendation?
Yes, sir. Thank you po.